Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to mix art styles in one image with Ideogram AI. Let's get started. So what does mixing art style mean? Mixing art styles means combining different visual styles like anime plus watercolor or cyberpunk plus pixel art and more in a single image to create a unique and visually interesting design. And here are the step-by-step guide. First, go to Ideogram AI and log in using your Google account. Then type a mix style prompt. In the prompt bar, describe your subject plus the style that you want to mix, like this example here. Then after that, you can use keywords to help Ideogram understand styles. Add visual styles keywords in your prompt like anime, oil painting, watercolor, 3D render, and more. You can also include a split style or left side or X or right side Y or fusion of X and Y style. Then select the preset style. Below the prompt bar, you can optionally tap the preset style like typography, 3D render, cinematic, and more. You can also use a negative prompts, avoid unwanted elements by including no watermark, no extra text, no background, and more. And tap generate and wait for a few seconds, and four styled images will be created just for you. And save or refine. Tap on an image to enlarge, or long press or right click on your PC to save it. And if the result isn't that what you want, try changing your prompts and then regenerate again. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.